Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can install KivyMd. Now KivyMd is a library in Python that you can use to run Android apps. So first of all, you open your PyDroid and by the top left hand corner you tap on the three vertical lines and then you select pip. When you go to pip, you go to search libraries and I'm using PyDroid 3, so you're going to search for KivyMd, KivyMd, and then you hit on search for KivyMd. So you're going to click on install and you select install and you wait for it to install. So requirement already satisfied, that is to say I've already installed it. And then there are other extensions that we're going to install also, and you install all of them. Let's install the Kivy extension examples, and you can see that the requirement is satisfied, has already been installed. And so now we are going to check to see if KivyMd is in our IDE. So you go to libraries and look for KivyMd. Okay, you can see that we have KivyGarden, KivyMatploit, KivyMd is installed, version 1.1.1, Kivy extensions and Kivy examples, and the rest of them all is available in your IDE. So next we are going to check to see if we can import KivyMd. So we do that by saying import then KivyMd. So if you run this code and it runs without showing an error, that means you can import the Python module. So you hit on the play button and you can see that it runs without showing an error, and that means you can use your KivyMd to run and build apps on Android. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye, have a wonderful day.